Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, guys, we're going to be making us some sweet chili chicken wings. That's right, in my NUWAVE oven. That's what we're going to be using today. First thing we're going to do, we're going to come in here with some avocado oil. Probably like 4 tablespoons worth. Some granulated onion. Like a teaspoon and a half. Lemon pepper seasoning, about a teaspoon. Adobo, about a teaspoon. This is some garlic, granulated garlic. We'll put a little of that in there, about a teaspoon of that. Right here we got some organic soy sauce. Put about a little bit of that in there, just to give it some more flavor. Right here we got some argo cornstarch. Just a little bit lightly covered, that's all. Alright, we're just gonna mix this up, fam. Just like this. Yep, sweet chili wings. Look like I need some more of this right here, the soy sauce. I ain't gonna put too much on that, but we're gonna put a little bit more on there. A little bit wetter than that. So, all right, we should be all together. So I'm gonna take my little thing right here, sit it over here, and start putting these on the rack, like so. I like to try to do the skin side up. Alright, fam, I got some chicken legs that I'm going to put in on there too, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this started real quick. For the sake of this video, I'll be right back in a minute. Alright, fam, I'm back. Those are my little chicken legs right there. Just season up the same way I did the wings. So I'm going to just put a little bit more black pepper on mine. I like black pepper on mine. If you watched any of my videos, you're going to know I love black pepper. When they get done, we're going to toss them up with some of this sweet chili right there. We're going to put this on here. Let's try that. Cook time. Okay, 30 minutes. Yay, I did it. On my first rip. I don't use it often, because everybody don't have one of these. If you don't have one, you definitely need to get one. Boy, I tell you what, this experience out the world. Make sure you get one of these NUWAVE ovens. For real, for real. Alright guys, when this get done, I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay fam, I'm back. We got about 10 more minutes left on here. We're just going to pause it right there because we got to flip this over. Alright, we're going to put that pause on real quick. I'm finna show you this real quick. Boy. Ooh-wee. So we're just going to turn these over. Like so. When I tell you you do not need nothing else but this, I am not lying. And your stuff gonna be juicy. Alright, we're gonna cook these for about good 15 more minutes. If you just ready to eat right now, you could, but I like mine to be having a little crisp to it. They actually done. Put this back on here. I'm gonna have to cancel out that 10 minutes. So we're gonna cancel it out. Cook time, 15 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm done. I'm going to turn this off. I only got about 2 minutes left on it. So we're going to turn that off. Take these and put it in a bowl. These mugs are super juicy. If you ain't got one of these NUWAVE ovens, you better invest in you one, I'm trying to tell you. And while they're hot, I must put some of this sweet chili on there. All right, a little bit more. Alright. That's how that's looking, fam. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hook these up, put them on the plate, show you the presentation. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, I'm finally done with these sweet chili wings right here. That's what I use right here. And this is how it looks on the plate. Like so. Get you some. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. Grab one of these drumlets. Super good. Get that bite right there, fam. Tastes super good. That's what we're looking with. Right off the bone, buddy. It tastes pretty good. It's my first time making this, period. So guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And of course, that's right, my trademark. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love and happy eating.